Welcome back here on Live Impact News on WCNT Plus. I'm Nick Sturdivant. Just want to read update from NBC4 in New York. Again, just I don't want to call it terrible conditions, but yeah, pretty bad conditions there. Snowstorm there in New York. Actually, a blizzard warning is in effect for all five boroughs of New York City, Long Island, and much of New Jersey. I mean, that storm is just walloping that area. Strong winds, heavy snow. If we want to check in, and I mentioned Long Island, we want to head to Long Island now live. We have David North. How are you doing, sir?
Hi, Nick. I'm doing well, thank you. And hello, Charlotte.
Much warmer here. Well, yeah, much warmer here in Charlotte, even though it's still like in the 40s here. Yeah, I'll take that over what you're dealing with, David. I do want to ask, what are the conditions there now? What are you seeing?
Well, the snow has let up. It's really stopped around 1 p.m. And now folks are just kind of shoveling out. Outside my home in Manorville, Long Island, we call ourselves the gateway to the Hamptons, where the forks of Long Island split. Got about 30 inches of snow in some deep spots. It was a little tough working my way out. I wanted to check my car, have a foot or so of snow on the car. And just one thing, transplants to North Carolina might remember, it's important to have a snow brush to push it off and dig your way out of a spot to get back on the road. Just one little bit of news note from down here. As I was walking out, I was looking around to see what the other conditions were like in the community. 160 miles long, by the way. A snowplow apparently skidded and flipped over. Driver okay, but just a warning. People have to remember to take it slow, take it safely, and make you can save your apologies for when you arrive wherever you have to be.
Oh man, wow. Does this storm compare, or are you able to compare this to any of the storm from the past?
That's a great question. I'm not originally from Long Island. I'm from Upper New England, and so we're used to this. Long Island winters are mild. We might get a week or so at the end of January where the temperatures are in the 20s and the teens, but we've had an extended cold streak, and then a storm like this on top of it. So this is unusual.
Oh man, yeah. I'm looking at some video now of folks are just trying to dig their way out of some of the snow as it comes down. David, have you dealt with any power outages? I know you mentioned the truck that flipped over. Are your neighbors good? Are you good as far as power?
This area appears to be okay. Again, Long Island is a community 160 miles long, so there may be pockets of outages here and there, but generally it looks like we got through okay.
James has a question. Your good buddy James has a question for you.
He's putting me on.
I'm so happy to be back in touch with James. We work together in radio. You see, both of us look better on the radio.
This is so true. This is so true. But it's fun, David, to hear from you and that they let us dabble here on the stream so that we can talk to each other. You are working in education now, so you've got an insight onto I think the school situation. What are schools like today? What do they plan for the rest of the week?
Oh, well, the school district that I work for in eastern central Long Island is closed for the day, and I just got the word that we have another snow day off tomorrow, so that's kind of unusual for the kids. They'll get to get out and play. But I will say this, it's a perspective I hadn't had from news, James, when I worked with you, is that the school districts have buses and schools from neighborhoods throughout their district. It's like a military operation to get the kids where they're going safely. So much respect for the people who drive the buses, man the plows, and keep the facilities clear. I really just had only a clue of how much work they do and how much responsibility they have. So they'll probably appreciate a snow day off too. Kids, hope they can find a sandbar, so it's tough to find a place to go sledding. It's pretty flat and level, but maybe tomorrow there'll be a lot of happy faces out there.
I hope so. Those are always the best memories of having an actual snow day. Nick, this is actually a live shot in my hometown.
Oh, man.
This is Route 347 and Route 111 for anyone who happens to be from the area. As David mentioned, we got lots of transplants here, but 28 inches of snow so far and counting. And, I mean, David, are you happy to be on this side of things and not the news side of things? I mean, we still peer pressured you to go outside and stand in the cold. So
Well, as I was telling you, James, Nick, James and I do go way back. It's good to be back in touch again. I give this a lot of thought. I miss it. I miss the excitement. I miss the rewarding feeling of sharing information the way you do. But I have to admit, I felt like a 8-year-old boy again when I heard we had a snow day. So, I do miss the rewarding feeling of sharing information that people need. And I just have so much respect and admiration for you folks who work your way through the storms that North Carolina has been experiencing lately.
Oh man, no, we appreciate you for taking time to do this outside. David, go warm up, man. Go back inside.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. I'm a hot cider guy, but I'll take you up on the hot chocolate.
Fair enough.
David North there in Long Island, man. Thank you again.
My pleasure, guys. Be well.
All right, let's take a quick break there. We'll be back here in just 2 minutes here on Live Impact News on WCNC Plus.